Hi everybody from YouTube. In this video I will be pairing my Airpods Max for the first time with my iPad. I haven't done this before, so let's see how is the process of connecting the Airpods Max to an iPad. So the same process, I mean it's the same for an iPhone, iPad, whatever device you are using. So apparently, I don't know how to connect it. I'm just taking out from the case. I haven't seen any signal of life with these headphones. Oh, here it is, AirPods Max in the iPad. Okay, I press it. Okay, now they are connected. I thought they were going to make like that animation that Apple usually does with their headphones, like the AirPods, like the Beats, but no. Let's see with a song if it's sounding, if it's playing from the headphones. Let's see. No, it's not sounding for the headphones. What is happening here, bro? Oh, okay, we have here the noise cancellation. Let's turn it on. Automatic air detection on. Connect to this iPad. Okay, automatically. Spatial audio. So yeah, they are supposed to work on here. Let's see, let's play another song. No, they are not playing. Okay, let me see. AirPlay or Bluetooth. Okay, AirPods Max. Yeah, AirPods Max. Yep. Okay, now they are sounding from the AirPods Max. So guys, this is the process of how to connect your AirPods Max to your iPad or iPhone. So if this is the first time you are watching one of my videos, do not forget to subscribe, leave a like and comment. So check her out, and until the next one, bye bye.